India and South Korea have been special strategic partners since 2015. This partnership is giving both countries fresh opportunities to strengthen their defense and security ties. More weapons are being cleared by South Korea for India after Indian Army inducted the K-9 Vajra 155mm self-propelled howitzers. The K-9 Vajra are being built by L&T with support from Hanwha Techwin of South Korea. Based on the above deal, South Korea started offering many more defense weapons to boost their defense ties. So let us quickly run through the offerings from South Korea for Indian defense sources. The first weapon in the offer list is the K-30 Biho twin 30mm self-propelled anti-aircraft weapon. South Korea has offered India its K-30 twin 30mm anti-aircraft weapon to replace the Soviet-era's Shilka, which the Indian Army will be retiring very soon. According to media reports, the Indian Army has selected K-30 Biho following a competition that included Russia's Tunguska-M1, which has a range of up to 10 kilometers. Indian Army wanted to procure 104 K-30 Biho systems, 97 ammunition carriers, 39 command vehicles, 4,928 missiles and 1,72,260 rounds of ammunition. And this brings the contract's total value to $2.5 billion US. But due to several objections and complaints by the Russian side, India is yet to move towards the stage of price negotiations with South Korea. This contract has been stuck after Russia filed objections and claimed that the Indian Army did not properly test their weapon system and showed favoritism towards South Korean anti-aircraft system. According to media reports, two separate systems offered by Russia included the upgraded Tunguska M1 and Pantsir missile system, which both failed tests. In this stage, Russia wants Indian Army to reconsider these missile systems, which is Tunguska M1 and Pantsir missile systems, and rerun the tests. So not sure what decision will be taken from the Indian defense sources, whether to go for retesting the Russian missile systems or to go for South Korean's K-30 Biho missile systems. Now coming to other offers from South Korea, in addition to K-30 Biho, the South Korea has offered India its next generation infantry fighting vehicle K-21, and this is to replace the India's aging Soviet-era BMP-2. The K-21 is competing with the Russian BMP-3 under India's futuristic infantry combat vehicle program. The other offer by South Korea is the KT-1 Wungbi single-engined turboprop basic training aircraft. After a deal for 36 additional Pilatus PC-7 turbo trainer was scrapped by India due to Swiss firm Pilatus has been banned by CBI due to charges of corruption, the Korean aerospace industry's manufactured KT-1 single-engine turboprop was offered to India. The selection of KT-1 is unlikely to happen as Indian Air Force is keen to back the HAL-developed Hindustan turbo trainer, which is HTT-40. So we need to see which trainer gets the more preference and which one the Indian Air Force chooses. The next offer from South Korea is the Korea Aerospace Industries manufactured KUH-1 Suryan utility helicopter. The South Korea presented a new concept of its KUH-1 utility helicopters heavily armed version for the international market, and South Korean company confirmed that India and Indonesia were the target customers. This helicopter has a maximum takeoff weight of 8,709 kilograms, which is closer to the 24 MH-60 Seahawk, which Indian Navy is procuring as an emergency purchase. So even this deal, not sure how much it is going to succeed with the Indian defense sources. The next offer from South Korea is the KSS-III heavy diesel electric submarine. The KSS-III, the 3,000-ton submarine manufactured by the Daewoo Shipbuilding and Marine Engineering, is expected to conduct longer duration and faster undersea operation. This is going to be equipped with a lithium battery developed in South Korea, and advanced combat tools and sonar should also enhance its target detection. So these were the details on the various offerings from South Korea, and we need to see which weapons are being picked up by the Indian defense sources.